Hello Commando, welcome to biologics classes. We know there are lots of points to memorize during NEET preparation. So we will memorize those points with funny tricks. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
So, welcome to another session of biologics. Today we will learn the nutrients required by plants with simple and funny tricks. So first of all, discuss what is nutrients. So nutrients are essential. Nutrients are the molecules which are very much essential for the normal growth and reproduction of plants. And along with that, it must be very specific. Means it cannot be replaced by another elements. So that are nutrients. So nutrients are divided into two major groups such as macronutrients and micronutrients. As the name indicates, macro means it is greater than 10 millimole per kg of dry weight. In this, the major focus upon the dry weights. Okay, so macronutrients are greater than the 10 millimolar per kg of dry weight. Such type of nutrients is called macronutrients. And the macronutrients are non-toxic. When it is present in excess amount in the plants, it does not create any toxicity on the plants. So there are different macronutrients such as phosphorus, potassium, calcium, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur and magnesium. They are basically 9 macronutrients. So the trick to learn the macronutrients is, as we have almost all the students must have watched the PK movies, so this trick is based upon the PK movies. So PK का कौन सा मांग था? There was only desired to PK to go to their own home. So the trick is PK का कौन सा मांग था? P for phosphorus, K for potassium, का calcium, कौन CHON, कौन, this belongs to कौन. S sulfur, that is sa, mang means Mg. Okay, so this is the tricks, funny tricks to memorize the macronutrients. PK का कौन सा मांग था? Okay, so now we will discuss about the micronutrients. As the name indicate, micro. So micro means it is less than 10 millimole per kg of dry weight. Okay, and it is toxic in nature. Even it is present in small quantity. Okay, that creates very toxic nature to the plants. There are different micronutrients such as iron, manganese, cobalt, molybdenum, zinc, nickel, boron and chlorine. So the trick to memorize these micronutrients is iron man को मोजी ने ब्लॉक किया. Iron, that is Fe, man, Mn, manganese, cobalt. Sometimes this cobalt does not represent in micronutrients because this is beneficial elements. So the cobalt we will learn in beneficial elements too. So that's why there are total 8 micronutrients. So the trick is iron man को मोजी ने ब्लॉक किया. Co for cobalt, मोजी, MO for mo, molybdenum and Zn for G. मोजी ने, nickel for ne, B for block and Kia for chlorine. So this is basically the funny tricks that we can learn the micronutrients. What is this? Iron man को मोजी ने ब्लॉक किया. So there are total 17 nutrients that are required by plants. Okay, after that we will discuss about the beneficial elements. As I have said, the beneficial elements, that is, there are 4 types of beneficial elements: cobalt, silicon, sodium and selenium. So the trick is Kosi Nase, as the Kosi is the river flows in Bihar state, and it brings lots of disaster in Bihar. So the trick is Kosi Nase. Cobalt, silicon, Na, sodium and Se, this is selenium. So the beneficial element is 4 types, that is Kosi Nase. Okay. Now we will discuss about the essential elements. Okay. So the essential elements that are very much required for the plants too, and there are 4 essential elements. That is, first one is structural or component molecules, biomolecules. Means these elements is required in the synthesis or in the structural formation or the components of the cell, plant cell. So this is carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. So the trick is cone, as its name indicates, cone. Cone is the structural or the components biomolecules. Second types of essential elements is energy related chemical compounds, which means these molecules, magnesium and phosphorus, is required for the energy generation, as not in the energy generation but it is energy related compounds. As the magnesium is very much essential in chlorophyll synthesis. Or we can say that magnesium is the component of chlorophyll, and plant is autotrophs. So plant prepare their own food, and for the preparation of a food, chlorine molecules is very much essential, and for the chlorine molecules, magnesium is very much essential. And the second compound is phosphorus. As we know that ATP, this phosphorus donate the ATP formation. Okay, so the trick is MAP, Mg, MAP, P for phosphorus. The third category of essential element is which alter the osmotic potential, and there is only one element, that is potassium. So potassium is very much essential for the opening and closing of stomata. Means this potassium regulates the entry and exit of water during photorespiration, and due to that the opening and closing of stomata take place. And the third and the last one is activate or inhibit enzyme. There are 3 molecules which activate or inhibit enzyme. First is magnesium, which activate 2 types of enzyme such as Rubisco and PEP carboxylase. As we know that the Rubisco is what? Ribulose bisphosphate carboxylase oxygenase. Okay, so magnesium activate the Rubisco, and along with that it also activate phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase. And this magnesium, both these enzymes are involved in carbon fixation. involved in carbon fixation. Means we can say that photosynthesis. Okay, and the second element is zinc, which activate alcohol dehydrogenase. Okay, and the last but not the least, molybdenum. It also activate nitrogenase enzyme during nitrogen metabolism. So, to summarize these essential elements, their trick is कौन मैप का मांग ज़्यादा है मार्केट में. Okay, so in this way we can learn about the essential elements along with the nutrients, macro and micronutrients. So we can easily understand with funny tricks, that is nutrients, essential elements, and with this concept or tricks we can solve NEET questions too. So if you like this video, please like and share and also subscribe. Thank you, friends.
There are some related questions which are previously asked in the NEET examination.